Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add an Eero router or mesh system to your T-Mobile home internet to improve Wi-Fi coverage and speed. If your T-Mobile home internet Wi-Fi doesn't reach all areas of your house, drops signals, or has slow speeds in certain rooms, it's usually because the gateway alone can't cover your space. Adding an Eero router or mesh system can extend coverage, reduce dead zones, and give you faster, more reliable Wi-Fi. I'll show you exactly how to connect Eero to your T-Mobile gateway so your whole home gets better internet. Here's how you can solve it. Step 1. Set up your T-Mobile gateway. Make sure your T-Mobile 5G home internet gateway is powered on and connected to the internet. Check that you can access Wi-Fi on at least one device before adding Eero. Step 2. Plug in the Eero router. Connect the Eero main unit to the T-Mobile gateway using an Ethernet cable. Plug the Eero into power and wait for the LED to start blinking white, which means it's ready to set up. The main Eero must be connected via Ethernet to your gateway for optimal speeds. Wireless-only connections won't extend your network properly. Step 3. Install the Eero app. Download the Eero app on your phone, iOS or Android. Open the app, create or log into your Eero account, and follow the prompts to add a new device. Step 4. Configure your Eero network. Follow the in-app instructions to name your Wi-Fi network and set a password. The app will detect your Eero router and connect it to the T-Mobile gateway automatically. Step 5. Add Eero beacons or mesh units, optional. If you have additional Eero units, place them in areas with weak Wi-Fi. Use the app to add each unit to your network for full home coverage. Position the mesh units roughly halfway between the gateway and dead zones for best performance. Step 6. Test your network. Once setup is complete, connect your devices to the new Eero network. Check Wi-Fi speed and coverage in different areas of your home to make sure everything is working. Important notes. Use Ethernet between T-Mobile gateway and main Eero for fastest speeds. Avoid placing Eero units near microwaves, thick walls, or metal objects. Keep the Eero app updated to get firmware and performance improvements. And that's it. Your Eero router should now be successfully added to your T-Mobile home internet, giving you better coverage and faster Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick home internet tips.